In this video, I'll show you how to work with inventory receipt document. These are created to register the goods that are stocked in the warehouse but were not registered by some reason, and also to add expenses to the cost of goods sold of specific inventory item. To access the inventory receipt documents, go to Warehouse, open Inventory Receipt from Stock Taking Documents. This is created to account for the inventory items that were stocked in the warehouse but not registered as was revealed from the stock taking process. You can create an inventory receipt document manually or generate it based on inventory reconciliation documents. To create a new document, click on Create option. Once the form opens, fill the required fields. In the corresponding field, select a GL account to be used to record the income associated with the inventory item. You can choose from Show All from the available general charts of account. In the department field, you can specify the department responsible for this inventory receiving. The field is not available if the selected warehouse is of department. In this case, department warehouse will be automatically specified by the elected income analytics. In the income item field, select an income item used in similar cases. In the business activity field, select a business activity associated with the warehouse or inventory items. In the entity field, select the legal entity of your organization which is responsible for this document. The basis field is populated automatically if this inventory receipt was generated on the basis of inventory reconciliation or goods receipt note, or you can choose manually from the list available. Once the main tab is filled, you can move on to the Inventory tab. The Inventory tab includes a list of goods received to a specific warehouse or warehouses. To add an inventory item, click the Add option, choose the item. In the Characteristics column, you can specify additional properties like size, color, and etc. on each listed items. If the Characteristics option is enabled, for the item under the master data. In the batch column, you can specify the batch for the items. To specify the batch number for the items with expiry dates, items received from consignment or third-party contract warehouses. In the serial number column, you can provide the serial number according to the quantity of the item. The price column is available only if the amount only checkbox is cleared in the main tab. If it is enabled, the price box will disappear. It is used to populate the price of the price type specified on the main tab, that is, the retail. The amount column shows the corresponding amount either manually entered or calculated based on the item price and quantity. The quantity and the unit of measure columns are available if the amount column checkbox is cleared on the main tab. Here you specify the item quantity and select a unit of measure for the items. The GL accounts will be filled automatically based on the item selection. You can manually change it if required. Under the transaction content, you can add an additional information based on per line item. Once the details are filled, check the details and post the document with relevant date. To check the details of the entry created, refer View Transaction Details. The entry will be debit goods and credit other operating income. You can refer the reports, purchasing module, balance of inventory report, double click on the amount recorder. With increase in quantity, the amount is also increasing, affecting the cost price. In case there is a variance in the amount or the cost price of an item and the quantity is correct, then you can create an inventory receipt document in a similar manner, enabling the option amount only. In that case, amount can be increased, affecting the cost price, and the quantity of the item will not be changed. This helps in the inventory reconciliation, making the stock in the database equal to the stock in the warehouse. That's how you can record an inventory receipt document. Thanks for watching the video.